This is a killing challenge for black. So there are not many choices. Black must take care of this stone right here. Otherwise, white will be able to capture this stone and make a living shape very easily. So black might want to try this. This is pretty intuitive. And white seems very hopeless, right? Because these 4 white stones are very short on liberties. But white has this move. It's really resilient. If black plays on the outside, this will be a rectangular 6. And white will be alive. If black plays something like this, then white can actually play this move and connect here at number 10. If white plays on the outside, then white will live this way. If black plays something like this, white can stand down here. Black plays on the outside, this is also a living shape. So after number 6, black's best bet is to play here, and this will be a ko, which is not the correct sequence for black. So another choice for black is to play right here, and white can only play this move. If black connects back, again, white seems quite hopeless, right? You might try this move, but it won't work. This will be a straight 3. It's not enough eye space. Number 4 is here. It still doesn't seem to work, right? Because black can come in and pull back at number 9. But what will work is actually right here. A little counterintuitive because it's not expanding eye space to the maximum, but it works, right? So now if black plays here on the corner, white can make a living shape this way very easily. If black plays on the first line, which is not a good idea because white can make an extra eye here at the 1-1 point, and there's no way black can save number 5. You can't just crawl here on the first line. All of these stones will die. So after number 5 is swallowed, white will have 2 real eyes this way. So number 4 here can actually guarantee white's survival. And that's why number 3 cannot just play this move, right? Number 3 here is too inefficient. And that's why number 3 needs to be here on the 2-1 point. And there's no way white can cut off number 3 because this is a capture 2, recapture 1 situation. And now, when white tries to expand eye space, it's already too late. Black can simply reduce white's eye space and white will be dead this way. So 1, 3, and 5 can guarantee black survival. There are a couple other variations that are very similar to this, and you can try some of those variations on your own. Overall, not too difficult, but you need to understand why there are a couple traps that black might fall into. Black might think this is a bit too easy, but white can actually be quite resilient if black is not careful. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.